Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Shivaji Gadde, teaching you introduction to the machining. First of all, what is machining? Machining, also known as metal cutting processes. In this processes, a material is removed by means of cutting tool so as to give the desired size and shape to the components. So, which are the different machining or metal cutting processes? Example is turning, milling, drilling. Then, what is machine tool? It is one type of manufacturing process, machining. Now, what is machine tool? Machine tool is a power driven machine used for making the components of desired shape and size, accuracy, and surface finish by removing the material from the workpieces. This is known as machine tools. So, which type of machine tools are here? So, for machine tools are divided into the metal cutting machine tools and surface finishing machine tools. In the metal cutting machine tools like lathe machine, drilling machine, milling machine, shaping machine, and surface finishing machine tools are grinding machine, honing machine, lapping machine, and polishing machine. Then, in the machining, different types of machines were using for the making the components. In that, the lathe machine, drilling machine are there, or grinding machine are there. Then, what is drilling process or drilling machine? The component of a drilling machine is column with base, drilling head, spindle are the components of drilling machine. Then you can see this diagram, and that you can see here is base, column, this is the drilling head, this is spindle, here is a drill is there, this is job or workpiece is clamped on the bed. Next, this is a radial drilling machine. You can see here column is supported by the base, as well as this work table is again supported by the base. This work table is fixed now here, but in some cases it is rotated by 360-degree around the axis of column. That means it is movable. In this case it is fixed. The workpiece is fixed on the work table, and the drill tool is rotating, as well as up and down motion of the drill is there. With the help of chuck and spindle, this power is given by the motor. Then this drill is also moving in this direction. You can see the feed is given in this direction. Now there is screw is there, so that we can take up and down motion of this drill with the help of this screw. This whole assembly is moving up and down, as well as it is rotating by 360-degree around the axis of column. There is the column is there. Radial arm elevating lead screw is here. Then, which are the operation we can perform on the drilling machine? Drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, spot facing, countersinking, tapping, and trepanning. This type of operation we can perform on the workpiece. Now, what is the difference in the drilling machine and lathe machine? The big difference is that the spindle is having vertical axis, but in case of the lathe machine, the cutting tool is moving in longitudinal direction as well as in transverse direction. The cutting tool is not rotating. Here is cutting tool is rotating here. Then workpiece is fixed and rotating in the lathe machine. Here is a workpiece is fixed. That workpiece is fixed in the spindle in case of the lathe machine. This workpiece is fixed or clamped on the work table in the drilling machine. For drilling machine, we are performing the operation on a workpiece is only the hole type. That means we are removing the material from the workpiece for producing the hole. So these operations are having the different types of holes on the drilling machine, like drilling, reaming, boring. The purpose is different for each operation. Reaming is the process of smoothly finishing and accurately sizing the drill hole. Then, drilling is the process of making the cylindrical hole in the workpiece. Boring is the process of enlarging the existing hole to meet the required size and finish. Counter boring is the process of enlarging existing hole to the larger diameter and making the surface at the bottom of the larger diameter flat. This is known as a counter boring. Spot facing is the process of enlarging the existing hole to a larger diameter and making the surface at the bottom of the larger diameter flat such that the depth of enlarged hole is sufficient to provide a seat for washer. Countersinking is the process of chamfering the entrance of the drill hole. Tapping is the process of making internal threads in a drill hole. And trepanning is the process of making a large hole by removing the metal along the circumference of the hole with the help of multi-point hollow tool. Thank you.